Please subscribe to Million's Perception and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.
In this video, I'm going to do unboxing of Boya M1 mic for YouTube. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Million's Perception. Welcome you all to another video. Hey guys, I have bought it from Amazon. You can see the box. This is the Amazon, and now I'm going to do unboxing. So watch this video until the end. And this is the very cheap. I don't think that it is cheap because it cost me is 879 rupees. So it is not a cost. It is not neither costly nor cheap. But I have listened a lot of YouTubers review video regarding this. That Boya M1 mic, that is a mic, is a very useful for YouTube video. And my YouTube channel is new and I want to increase the audio quality of my YouTube channel, and you can also get the differences because you know that I'm using this very normal mic you can see here. And after that I will also show you, tell me in the comment box that how you see the differences between the audio quality. So now I'm taking it out from this box, and you can see that in the box this is the design of the mic. Here is some information that Boya M1 and something is written, and here is the features of this BY-M1 Boya Pro Audio Series mic. You can see it. So now I'm taking it out. And you can see the bag inside of this box. So you can see I have already shown you this, but again you can see it. Now let me take it out. So this is the mic. Here is something here, and it is nothing. So you can see that cell is there. This is cell, and now I will install it, and then I will shoot my voice, and you will tell me that how the voice is with this mic. So you can see the difference. Now I am shooting, and you can see my voice without mic. So you can see the difference. And now I am attaching the Boya M1 mic, and then you will see the difference. So now I am shooting this with the Boya M1 mic, and you can see the difference. And please comment that how you see the difference of both of these mics. So in the beginning of the video I have used a very simple mic, and in the middle of the video I have used only the mic of my phone, and now I am shooting this video with this Boya M1 mic. So this Boya M1 mic has a great quality. It is very good, and if you are new YouTuber or if you are old YouTuber, no problem. Every YouTube creator. So if you like this video, please comment